Hi, this is Gary at Waterfield Designs in San Francisco, and I'm about to wax my 5-year-old canvas Vitesse Musette. You can see there's still some wax here in the canvas, but most of it's gone. I really should have waxed this earlier, but at least now you'll be able to see the big difference it'll make. Now, waxing a bag can seem a bit ominous, but it really goes fairly quickly and is actually kind of fun. And I've broken it down into 4 easy steps. Step 1 is to lightly clean your bag. I take a fairly soft brush to remove superficial dirt. Then a smaller brush, here I have an old toothbrush, and some warm water to try to rub out the stains. In the cotton canvas, stains may not come out, but they will likely soften. And then when you apply the new wax, they'll mostly be gone. After this, let the canvas dry out. Step 2 is to apply the wax. I'm using Martexin wax, which is the exact wax used by the textile mill to create our wax canvas. I use a finger to rub the wax on relatively evenly. It doesn't have to be perfect. Just want to get the wax on all areas of the canvas. Put some here into the seams so you seal them up. Step 3 is heating up the wax. I use a hairdryer set on high heat to help it spread evenly and into the fibers of the canvas. You want to use your fingers to help spread the wax evenly around. Be sure to keep moving the hairdryer around because you want to heat up the wax. You don't want to burn the cotton canvas. Heat up the seams here and rub it in. So this is how my newly waxed bag looks right now after waxing and heating. It has a bit of an uneven appearance, but let's see how it looks after step 4. Step 4 is easy. Let the bag dry for a day. Then we can see if we need to apply more wax or if we just need to fire up the hairdryer again to move the wax around. Wow, the bag turned out really nicely. You can see here I missed parts in the bottom, so I'll come and add some more wax here. And you'll feel the bag a bit waxy at first, but you can dab it with a cloth to help take some of the wax off. The rest will just take some time and it'll feel like its good old self. Is my newly waxed Vitesse water resistant? Yes, it is. Look at that. So that's how we rewax our cotton canvas. If you have any questions, please email me and I'll be happy to reply. And thanks for watching.